Welcome to the video. If you're trying to log into your Roblox account and are unsure of the process, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you the quick and easy steps to log into your Roblox account on your Android device. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Open the app, and you should be taken to the main screen where you can log in. Step 2. On the main screen, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Now, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username, email, or phone number along with your password. Make sure the information you enter is correct to avoid any login issues. Step 4. After entering your details, tap the Login button, and just like that, you'll be logged into your Roblox account. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy all the games and features Roblox has to offer. Logging in is quick and simple, so you can get started right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.